A blaster ride on the track.
Hi, I'm Zhongzai. I shared CFMoto 500 SR test videos, focusing on first gear handling and throttle control. Fun to ride, but this 500cc inline-four racer really shines only on medium to large tracks. Today, at Spring Breeze Track Camp, we're at Gazou Zhongkai Circuit, testing this bike unrestricted. Quick look at the bike. CFMoto's latest 500SR carries the 675SR/750SR family style, with a fierce front, modern winglets, compact sizing, and overall balanced proportions. Retro edition eye-mounted exhaust remains, tweaked to suit the new car's sharper lines. Specs match the retro edition. 500cc inline-four, 58 kW, 49 Nm. 187 kilograms kerb, 805mm seat. Updates to right clutch cover and throttle cut, notably vibration. Front 41mm inverted forks. 16 Nissan opposed 4-piston calipers with 300mm twin discs. CSTS 3N tires front and rear. Tire wax tells veterans, even on hard tracks, grip solid. Now ride this 500SR on track. Shed, this 4-cylinder is very smooth, despite cable throttle. Response and delivery stay flawless. Ask for power. You get it. Steady. No lurching, easing throttle in corners. CFMoto tuning left ahead. 4-cylinder revs rise fast. Pin it down long straights. Snap up shifts. That piercing wail. Total bliss. This engine delivers smooth. Linear power with the throttle, never suddenly bursting at any revs. Some bikes exaggerate the hit for a high rev rush. Fun for veterans, risky for novices. This one stays smooth, easy to control. Also, its handling isn't razor sharp. Overall, it still rides like a 500cc middleweight machine. In corners, even leaning hard. The car stays wet, no shudder, even flat out on the straight. In S-bends, the chassis tracks your body, adjusting instantly. Overall dynamics feel upbeat, like the throttle. It's smooth and easy to manage. No need to tame it. This car always cooperates. To tame it, mention this bike's TC. Cable throttle TC isn't useless. People just haven't tried tuned ones. It happened twice today. Leaned over in a corner. I gave it plenty of throttle. Felt the rear lose grip and slide a little. TC stepped in, trimming power slightly so it hooked up again. Not harshly cutting fully everything. Cable throttle TC's effectiveness depends on the specific tuning. In short, CFMoto's 500SR is still tuned for street and daily use, helping beginners and improving riders learn faster and keep control. But take it to the track or a hard mountain run, and its performance will satisfy most drivers' needs.